Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your DREAME D20 Plus if it keeps getting stuck. First of all, we'll need to clean the robot, sensors, wheels and brush and everything else. Later on, if that doesn't help, we'll add no-go zones in our app in order to prevent it from going into some areas where it gets trapped. So first of all, let's clean the robot. The sensors at first. There's a sensor here in the front and it has to be cleaned. You can use a microfiber cloth in order to do it. It can be soaked in isopropyl alcohol or in water. If you're using water, use a dry cloth afterwards to prevent stains. But it also could be a dry cloth. Now the next sensor is right here on the side. Then make sure that your bumper can move freely. When you press on the bumper from each side, make sure that it can be pressed. If not, then you may need to try seeing if it's clogged anywhere. Now the next part is going to be the sensors. On the bottom, because on the bottom there are also sensors. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these are cliff sensors. Make sure they are clean so the robot doesn't fall down the stairs, but also that it doesn't think there's a cliff when there's not, because that will make it get stuck. The next thing is to clean the wheels. Make sure the wheels can move freely. You will need a little force to move them. Make sure they can go in and move. If not, try moving them so maybe they start moving at some point, or try removing some debris. It's not really easy to remove it, but you may want to leave the robot and gently tap it on top to remove some debris collected there. Yeah, as I said, the wheels are motored, so you will need a little force, but just see if they can move at all, and if the move is smooth. Then see also the omnidirectional wheel, if it can move freely in all directions. Then the brushes, see if they can both spin like that. If yes, then it's great. If not, you may want to clean them, so you may want to release this door right here, or take the brushes out and clean them. Then put them back in and close these door. Okay, I didn't close them properly. Okay, now it's there. I think that it should help you. If it didn't, then try locating the issue, try seeing where the robot gets stuck. It may often get stuck on some furniture, cables and stuff like that. And in that case, you may want to edit the map in the app. As you can see, here is the app, and when I click on the map editing button, I can click on no-go zones and virtual walls and locate the area where the robot gets stuck. Let's say it's here. I can now create a no-go zone, place it here, resize it, and the robot won't go there. You can also create a virtual wall, like I have one here, the red one. The robot won't cross it. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.